So first thing is select this one. This is going to be shuffle node, and click here. Now you can see the shuffle node we have. Go to node and go to postage stamp. Here we can see a thumbnail kind of thing. So Alt and P is going to be give you the same result. Alt and P, right? Now in this case I am going to get this diff means diffuse dome, right? And when I have got the diffuse dome, now you can see we have this red, green, blue and alpha also, but I don't need any alpha here. Now you can see we have this alpha. Where is the alpha here? You can put it here. Now we have this alpha, but this alpha is meaningless, right? We don't need to have this alpha. So what you have to do, you have to select it and click on this none button. None means 0. So I don't need any alpha. Alpha is coming and going to 0 means nothing. So this is a very good thing, that if you don't need any alpha, so there should not be any alpha. But if I press this one, you can see this is properly, that this is going to be the diffuse dome light, and press Alt and C. Now if you do so, everything is there properly, and that is why you have to copy this. Otherwise you have to make this thing changes every time, right? So now change it to fill light. All right, so we can see the fill light is there, but it is very, very less kind of thing. So you can see we have something in here. Okay, so Alt C again and put it right here, and let me see that what we have, riff dome. Okay, one thing I would like to show, tell you that there is no order. You can take fill light first, you can take this reflection dome first, you can take anything, you can take it. There is no sequence kind of thing, right? So now reference dome, and here we have this fill light. You can see we have something in here, and here we can have this sunlight. You can see the sunlight, very nice looking sunlight. And here we have that self illumination. That means is what, that you can have this kind of concept in your mind, that how many passes you need to extract, and tell to your mind that you need to extract 5 passes or 5 AOVs you need to extract. So that is what I was not remembering that what pass I should extract. I know that I need to extract 5 passes. So automatically you'll be knowing that I have one left, or I have more passes or something like that. So press M key and always select everything and press M key and go for this plus. So this is the thing, that if you have plus operation in your merge operation, so plus means is what, like 3 plus 5 equals to 8, and 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So there is no matter, there is no difference between that if 5 is ahead of 3 or 3 is ahead of 5, plus means the answer is going to be the same. So that means this A or B or C or D, or maybe like there is no sequence. I'm trying to convey this message to you. If you are using plus operator, so there is no problem of like making it here or there or something. You can do it pretty easy. Now see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we need to select it and press full stop, or you can say del number from your number pad, right? So there is also a full stop kind of thing, like a point kind of thing. Okay, so that means is what, that I have a dot node, and what it means is that if I want to detach it, you can do it very easily, and I can put it back in here. But if I don't have that, so I have to do it 5 times. So this is not a proper way of doing so. So select it and click on it, that means full stop, and you'll have a dot node, and you can remove this, you can put it back. A very handy way of doing so. This is how you can rebuild your beauty in order to get full control over your passes, right? So why is very important, that if I need to increase the only this color kind of thing, this blue color. So blue color is going to be here. So press G key and you can increase only that part. You can see nothing is getting hampered by this. Or you need to change the sunlight, so you can increase sunlight and decrease. You can even change the color also. So this is why you need this thing. You have to rebuild it. So this is the simple like example. All right, and another thing that this pass, this main pass and this one is going to be same as it is. It has to be same. All right, otherwise something is there, something is missing, something like that. So all right, what we have learned that how we are going to rebuild your passes, beauty passes, in order to get more control over it, and how we're going to get your palette or elements kind of thing, and why you need to clone these things. So this is a summarize of the lecture, and in this next video I'm going to show you that how we're going to get more exciting things in order to get your comp done. See you in the next lecture.